there, adventurers. It's Adventure Angie here. Are you ready for another wild ride? Get in and buckle up. An exciting journey awaits. Welcome to Ocean Adventures. Today we'll explore the underwater world and the incredible creatures and hidden treasures that lie beneath the waves. The coral itself is alive, made up of tiny creatures called polyps. These polyps work together to build the intricate structures of the reef, which provide shelter and food for a variety of marine life. Things that sink over time transform into artificial reefs, creating new habitats. Wow, look at these beautiful coral reefs and fish, such bright, beautiful colors, like an underwater rainbow sea. Oh look! There's a turtle, and there are some fish swimming around it. Sea turtles often have fish friends like remoras and surgeonfish that help keep them clean by eating algae and parasites off their shells. This benefits both the sea turtles and the cleaner fish. Look, adventurers, our divers have discovered a mysterious sunken ship resting here on the ocean floor for so many years. Ships can sink due to storms, accidents, or battles. Over time, they become part of the underwater world, providing homes for marine life and creating artificial reefs. Nemo again! Adventurers say hi to Nemo! Wow, look over there! It's a group of octopuses. Did you know that octopuses are incredibly smart? They can squeeze through tight spaces by making their bodies smaller. They have 8 tentacles that they use to explore, catch food, and even open jars. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood, and they can change color to blend in with their surroundings. A lobster! See its powerful claws? They also have a keen sense of smell. Thanks for joining us on this incredible underwater journey, adventurers. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the wonders of the ocean. Bye now.